This is the sound that is being produced when the American Power Conversion SmartUps 1500 is being supplied inverted power from a Skybox. I have two Skyboxes, and when I supply backup power on my Skybox 1, it sounds normal. But when I run it off of Skybox 2, this is the background sound that I get. It's quite annoying, and it helps confirm that something isn't working right with one of my Skyboxes. It has behaved different than my Skybox 1 ever since I've taken it out of the box.